Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the Samsung email app icon batch counts to new emails or unread emails on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then open up the Samsung email app. In here, tap on the menu key at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on app icon batch count. Now from the pop-up, you could choose the batch as new emails or for unread emails. So select one of the two options and then tap on the back key to go back to the home screen. Now when you receive notifications for your email app, there will be a batch count number at the top. Now that batch number can show as new emails or unread emails. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.